Welcome to Module 4. We're going to talk about evidence-based practice and quality improvement. We're going to look a little deeper into these two aspects of your course. And we're going to look at and identify and apply evidence-based practice to quality improvement guidelines and models. We're going to compare and contrast and look and see how those work together. I'm reading from my your outcomes for this particular module. We're then going to analyze and compare steps of EBP and the QI processes. So we're going to, again, get deeper into these two aspects of your course. We're going to also apply quality improvement interventions that then align with established aims, priorities, and initiatives. And then we're going to critique a thing called the clinical practice guideline. You're going to learn and apply these guidelines in Module 6, but we're going to learn a little bit about what it's all about and how to actually critique a CPG. Now, you're going to see a picture of a sheep here, and you're going to wonder, what the heck has this got to do with Module 4? And then you're going to see this picture again in Module 5, and then again in Module 6. I happen to be a lover of sheep. I have several in my home. I raised them. I was raised with sheep as a little girl. So they're very special to me. So that's why I get a picture of a sheep instead of a picture of me, because I'm not going to be the one always teaching this course, as we explained in the beginning when we introduced ourselves as course developers to you. So that's why you see a sheep here. Okay, back to Module 4. I've gone over the outcomes for this module. You'll also see how these outcomes compare to the outcomes of the course itself. So let's go on to your checklist. And this is a checklist that kind of makes sure that you're staying on track with this particular module. Now, we want you to start by beginning to read resources provided to you with a review of an actual Loom presentation. Now, this is also a Loom presentation, but it's an audio, and it's just giving you an introduction of where to go, how to start, what is this chapter all about. Here you're going to have a discussion board that we have submitted, and we want you to prepare 2 responses to 2 other peer initial discussion board responses. Finally, then you're going to, don't forget your quiz. Now, the quiz goes over what you had learned in modules 1 through 3. It does not include module 4. But we wanted to give you a chance to kind of digest all of modules 1 through 3, and then your quiz will be completed according to your course calendar. So always look for your course calendar for due dates. Then a final task that you're going to do here is to critique a clinical practice guideline. And if you follow through with your assignments, your resources and then assignments, that's going to help you. So let's go back and make sure that we've covered everything. Reading for understanding, there's going to be an actual presentation that will introduce these evidence-based practice QI module facets. For this, we're going to pull in levels of evidence. You've seen them before. I believe it was under module 2, but you'll see levels of evidence just to refresh your memory. And then an evidence-based model to affect change. There's going to be a link there we'd like you to click on. And I think that will pull all these concepts together for you so that you can address each task successfully. Again, as you move forward throughout this module and you have questions, please address the faculty that is assigned to teach this course with you or to you. We hope this helps you. Welcome again to Module 4.